This video will be covering some of the new features in AirNow Tech, including the dashboard beta and the new AirNow discussion forum. It will also touch on some of the upcoming features to AirNow Tech that will be released later in 2016, the social media and email alerts pages. The My Dashboard page can be accessed in AirNow Tech by going to the Dashboard button and selecting My Dashboard Beta from the drop-down menu. At the top of the page, there is an embedded map of all sites associated with the agency of the user. The dots on the map represent the current reporting status and not the AQI. Green dots show that data is up to date, yellow dots are 2 to 6 hours late, and red dots have been missing data for 6 or more hours. By clicking on any of the site dots, you can view individual parameter reporting status. The site status dot for the entire site will always represent the oldest data. For example, if for the downtown Sacramento site, all the parameters were up to date except for NO2, which was 6 or more hours late, the site dot would appear red. The next box down is a customizable line graph. Select the data you would like to appear here by clicking on the slider button at the top left of the box. From the Select Data Sets box, choose the Site, Parameter, Duration, and Parameter Occurrence Code. There is also an option to choose to make this the default graph when you load the page. Further down the page is the Event Log. This box informs the user if the AirNow Data Management Center is receiving and successfully ingesting the hourly data files from a user's agency. This box automatically updates every few minutes while on the page and allows for viewing each data file status from the past week. If you click on the More Info box, you can view the specifics of the file. Imported are the number of lines in the file. Inserted are the number of data points created. Updated are overwritten data points. Aggregated are rolling averages updated throughout the day. And QC'd are how many points went through the automated QC checks. If a user saw that data was missing from airnow.gov or in Navigator, they can come to this page to make sure the issue isn't with the file transfer. The final box in the bottom right shows if any instruments are not reporting. That includes any parameter, including the meteorological parameters, as well as the parameter occurrence codes. The goal of the dashboard page is to compile all the information you may need from AirNow Tech into one summary page. There is a plan for additional widgets in the future. Some possible examples include forecast information, concentrations on the map, and different graph types, including wind roses and bar graphs. The AirNow social media and email alerts pages are currently only available to the U.S. State Department agencies in AirNow Tech, but are planned on being released to the rest of the AirNow community near the end of 2016. This is a short overview of these features. The social media page allows a user to add a Twitter account to AirNow Tech by clicking on the Add Account button. Once a Twitter account is added, the monitoring site, parameter, and optional hashtag can be customized by going to the Edit option under the Action column. There is also a log that will display all tweets that have been sent via AirNow Tech. The user also has an option to post a manual tweet from this page using the Post Tweet button. The Alerts page is a customizable email alert system for a threshold that the user sets. Alerts thresholds can be set for the current or nowcast data, hourly data, and daily data. For example, the first email alert for the Antelope North Highlands monitoring site is for when the current ozone AQI for the parameter occurrence code of 1 is greater than 50 for the past hour. The Action column allows the user to edit, disable, or delete an alert. The alert email distribution list is currently limited to 50 users. These alerts are not expected to replace EnviroFlash, as it lacks individual user customizability unless an alert is created for each user, and the creation of alerts is not available to those without AirNow Tech access. The AirNow Tech discussion forum can be reached by going to the Help tab in AirNowTech and clicking on the Forum button. The setup to the discussion forum should be familiar to those who have previously used an online discussion board. The forum allows the community to create and reply to topics related to AirNow, AirNowTech, and the AirNow API, as well as communicate with those at the AirNow Data Management Center. This website is publicly available, but only AirNowTech users are capable of creating and replying to topics. To log into the forum, click the Login button at the top right of the page. This will redirect the user to the AirNowTech login page. Your AirNowTech account is used to log into the forum. If already logged into AirNowTech before coming to the forum, clicking the Login button will log in the user without having to re-enter a username or password. The forum is divided into categories and topics. Categories are divided by relevant discussion points. Currently in the forum, we have 8 public categories ranging from general AirNowTech to data delivery and quality control. Under each category are the topics, which are the user-generated comments or questions directed towards the community or the AirNow Data Management Center. There are permissions associated with these categories. In the main categories, everyone that has an account can post, reply, and see the topics. However, the frequently asked questions subcategories and the announcements category are configured so that only moderators and admins, which currently consists of those of us at the Data Management Center, can create topics. However, anyone can see or reply to the frequently asked questions or announcements topics. Under each category are subcategories, which are the frequently asked questions for each category. These are usually a good starting point to search before creating a new topic. If a user wanted to create a new topic, they would click on the New Topic button at the top right of the page. This will bring up the Create Topic window. This forum software allows an overlay of the topic creation box with the rest of the website. This allows for continued navigation of the site while creating a topic. Here's an example topic asking, what is the source of the fire detection and smoke maps in Navigator, as well as the body of the question. The forum utilizes HTML formatting when creating a topic, but a user can also use the included toolbar if that is preferred. When creating a topic, the right side of the screen will display the preview of the finished topic with formatting. By default, topics a user creates are automatically set to watch, which means you will get notifications whenever there is a reply. These notifications are sent to the user's inbox in the forum, not a user's email address. Once completed with your question, choose the category to post the topic to and hit the Create Topic button. A few other features in the forum include the search bar, which allows you to search the entire forum for a topic relating to a keyword or phrase, sorting options, which allows the user to order topics by several different fields, including latest, new, unread, and top. The profile settings can be accessed by clicking on the user profile icon on the top right of the screen and clicking on the settings button from the drop-down. Here, a user can create a profile picture, background, and view notifications and messages. There is also a weekly digest. After creating an account on the forum and logging in for the first time, a user will receive weekly forum digest emails, which overview popular and recent topics. You can unsubscribe at any time from these using the link at the bottom of the email. We at the Data Management Center will be monitoring the forum several times a day for any new topics, so we encourage all AirNowTech users to use the forum if they believe the answer to their question may have some benefit to the rest of the community. If you have any questions regarding these features shown in this video, please email your question to airnowinfo@sonomatech.com.